Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. Today we embark on an exciting, captivating journey into the world of short hairstyles. If you have been looking away for inspiring hairstyling ideas, embrace a pixie cut or twist your short hairs perfectly, you have come to the perfect destination. Allow me to be your trusted guide as we navigate through the process, enabling you to achieve a mesmerizing and head-turning look. Ladies, we all understand the significant role that our hair plays in defining our unique style and boosting our confidence. That's preciously why I have meticulously curated a captivating collection of styling tips and ideas that will leave you totally captivated. With these techniques, you will witness a magical transformation of your hair, empowering you with a beyond doubt sense of beauty and grace. Picture this, ladies, the enchantment of whitish, grayish, blackish, and brownish colors. These shades possesses an irresistible attraction, elevating your hair to levels of elegance that are unparalleled, from subtle highlights that whisper sophistication to bold undertones that command attention. We will explore how these colors can infuse your short looks with depth and dimension. Prepare to be spellbound as you witness the breathtaking transformation that unfolds before your very eyes. I apologize for any background noise you may hear. Please bear with me, and I promise it would not decrease the enjoyment of this video. Now let's delve into the heart of the matter. I have created a lovely array of short hairstyling ideas exclusively for you. These hairstyles are not just trendy, but they also carry a powerful impact. They are tailor-made to cater to your hair's deepest desires. Whether you are inclined to towards a pixie cut. Or a bob haircut, or any other fabulous short haircut. Brace yourself for an unparalleled journey to the kingdoms of style and self-expression. Let's take a moment to appreciate the remarkable charm of these fabulous shades like grayish color, whitish, blackish and brownish colors. Can you envision the absolute luxury that your shades will grant upon your hair? The melodious combination of black and gray exudes a timeless appeal, intertwining sophistication and charm. Prepare to be dunked in the best of the best hairstyling ideas, carefully curated for your exclusive satisfaction, to offer you a glimpse of the wonders that await. I have handpicked a collection of stunning visuals featuring women enhanced with various short hairstyles, from modern to elegant. You will find the perfect inspiration to channel your unique style. So brace yourself, you shine a fashionista, and let your short hair glisten in the spotlight. Wherever your journey takes you, but hold on, there's more. This video is not only dedicated to styling ideas, it represents a transformative experience for your entire being. My channel serves as a treasure trove of invaluable content, committed to help you in achieving your dream hairstyle. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.